Step 1. Installing slab formwork. Step 2. Installing side formwork. Step 3. Placing lower reinforcement. Step 4. Installing anti-bursting reinforcement. Step 5. Placing lower reinforcement in column. Step 6. Installing punching shear reinforcement. Step 7. Determining position and placement of bar shear by profile height. Step 8. Placing tendon and tied with bar shear. Step 9. Installing anchorage and grout vent. Step 10. Placing top reinforcement and extra reinforcement. Step 11. Pouring concrete. Step 12. Removing side formwork. Step 13. Removing former. Step 14. Inserting block and jaws. Step 15. Stressing and measuring elongation. Step 16. Cutting strand end. Step 17. Filling socket with mortar. Step 18. Bleeding air for cleaning. Step 19. Grouting.